Today's inspection is for the purpose of briefing all AROs and other stakeholders like media team, police, CAPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and this control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes the smooth counting of machines and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts will be conducted here, and also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident at the counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting center. So there is a separate dedicated media cell also has been created. We have briefed the media team also to ensure that media can have real-time access to information, so that the information sharing would be in a continuous and transparent manner. And we have set up separate. We will be setting up a separate screen for media to access, and up to this media center allow media people to take mobiles also, so that for any other communication from there, media will be able to share this information. Great parking arrangements for the political representatives of the political parties and their teams, and there will be separate parking places for our officers and the counting teams. So SRGT parking lot will be earmarked for the political parties, and the other grounds will be for our counting teams.